Hello friends, welcome to our channel HSC with Codes.
Subscribe for the latest videos.
Grinder safety.
How to inspect a harness before using it. Before using safety harness for working at height, following 7 inspection checks should be ensured. 1. Pick up the harness by its D-ring in the back.
Check the harness's metal components. This would include the back D-ring, any side D-rings, connection holes, and grommets. Look for any metal distortion, cracks, rough or sharp edges, frayed edges.
2. Gently shake the harness to let the straps fall into place.
Like so, as well as running your
3. Make sure the buckles are unfastened. 4. Look for any damage, such as worn, frayed, or missing threads, cracked webbing, or foreign material on the harness. 5. Check the metal strap fasteners and D-ring to make sure they aren't cracked or deformed. 6. If your harness uses grommets, make sure they are firmly attached and are not deformed or otherwise damaged. 7. Make sure buckle tongues are firmly attached and not bad.